Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about the Pythagorean tuning. Pythagorean tuning is a system of musical tuning in which the frequency of all intervals are based on the ratio 3:2. The tuning system is derived from the intervals of the perfect fifth and the perfect fourth. Pythagorean tuning was the brainchild of Greek philosopher Pythagoras of Samos, who formalized a theory in which musical intervals could be derived from the simple ratio of string lengths. This is chosen because it is one of the most consonant and easiest tuned by ear and because of its importance attributed to the integer 3. The tuning system utilizes the intervals of 4, which is 4:3, and 5th, which is 3:2, to generate the scale. The difference between the two, that is 9:8, makes up the whole tone, and a minor second is the remainder of a fourth minus 2 whole tones. As a consequence, 6 Pythagorean whole tones, which would logically make up an octave, which is 2:1, are larger by an interval called the Pythagorean comma, a small interval but noticeable to the human ear. Despite its purely theoretical origin and practical problems, Pythagorean tuning was favored throughout the medieval period and is still used today in shaping melodies on non-keyboard instruments such as violin. The Pythagorean system would appear to be ideal because of the purity of the fifth, but some consider other intervals, particularly the major third, to be so badly out of tune that major chords may be considered a dissonance. To many musicians, the larger Pythagorean whole tone and smaller half tone sound better than the ones of equal temperament, in which octave has been divided into 12 equal parts and which makes it possible to play harmonies in all keys. The obsession of early music theorists with the size of scale steps has had a key influence on music, inspiring numerous attempts throughout the history to create the perfect intonation system.